So I think that, donating to the City Mission for Erie Gives Day, there's so much more that they're going to get out of it than just what you would probably assume the City Mission is going to use the funding for, because now I see firsthand where that money can go. I've always been a huge advocate for the youth in the city, especially inner city youth. So when Rosemary and Tracy first reached out to me about some kind of small potential collaboration with Urban University, it was the first time that they had reached out to a business, and they didn't really have a clear idea of exactly how it would work. And so I looked at it as a perfect opportunity for us to kind of be pioneers. And I think that it's really important for Erie Gives Day to choose someone like the City Mission, because it's so much more than what you actually think. I'll use the Urban University for example. If I'm going to put my money where my mouth is and donate to someone, I'm going to want it to be someone who isn't just, hey, this is what we do and this is it. It's, hey, we do this, but we also help fund this youth program and this entrepreneurship program and this baking program, and they're just doing so much more out there, especially with youth.
This is our city, our mission.